one. This is my pen. So look, how about you think single float? I think it floats. How about you? Okay. How about seat? 1, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a little on top of the water, so it will be float. This is float. The next one, how about this? What do you think? It's quite big and it's also hard. So how about you think a single float? Let's count it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, this is sink. You remember? Float is on top of the water like this. And sink is at the bottom of the water. So how about you think? This thing is a pen. So what do you think? I think sink. Wait a minute, it's float. This is a bit of pen and it's also big. How about this pen? You see? Oh wait. What do you think about this pen? You think it's single float? It's also float. How about this little toy? Yeah, it's a little. Oh, it also float. Oh, this one. What do you think? It's small and light. Oh my gosh! Goodness! This is also small and light, but it was sink. Look, it's sink at the bottom. It's not float. And look at this. It is sink. It is sink. I don't believe it. But how about this? This is quite big. Oh my gosh! This is float, and this is also big, but it's float on top of the water. This is sink and this is float. Good. How about this? This cup is quite big, and I think it's not very. Oh my gosh! It's also float. Wow! So we have the connector is sink. This little one is also sink. Oh my gosh. The basic one is float. The pen is on the float and another pen is also float. And the cup is float. But how about, I have this idea. How about I take this, lots of water and I got it. Okay. It also sink. But look, you see water is very light. But how about, look, this is float, so it is light, but you see, how about this? I take a lot of water and it's a bit harder. How about this thing? When I take out of this, thing. Take out this thing. And when I hold this out of water, it's very hard. So you see, when a little water is light, but when the water is got bigger and bigger water, like water is a liquid, it will be hard. So you see, this little one and the last one is sink, and you see the biggest thing is float. This is a science and this is very interesting. Like you see, this thing is very small and light, but when you put it up, it goes in the bottom. But when you put here, I think it's also sing, and it sings because it's very hard. Look, it sings very fast, and when you see when you took a this, it's very float, but when you pop, it's when you throw it into the water, the first one we throw, the pen will fall out this and will get lighter and will go sit float and go in the water above the water. So we have a fun thing to learn. But how about I have this one? I want you to guess. Look at this big thing. I will take this out. And we have this, we take in the water. What do you think? Is a bit hard? You think float or sink? 3, 2, 1. It's float or also it's very big, but it's float. I didn't know like the little one like this will sink at the bottom of this, but the biggest one and the hardest one is float. But wait a minute. When I put in this, it's float, but when I put in this, it sinks. You know why? Because look at this of this. It also very it can see out of this, and the water will come of this, and look, the water is come out. Look. Wait a minute. The water is come out. Wow, the water is come out, and the water. Remember the water when the little water is very light, but when all this water got out and it will hard. So when we put in this, it's light and float. When we put like the water go into this, it will sink. So we have the interesting. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.